Before writing any content or making a video, the first thing you need to do is keyword research. Targeting the right keyword can help you rank on the first page of Google and YouTube very quickly. But how do you know which keywords to target? You can't just write a list of keywords. To get good results, you need to find keywords that are most relevant to your content, but also have good volume and low competition. With InstaKeywords, you can do that very quickly and easily. It finds you exactly those keywords that lots of people are searching for, but very few marketers are targeting. Let me give you a quick walkthrough. So these are your search tabs. Use this Google search tab to find keywords on Google. We will leave the language as English and the country as global to get worldwide results. For this demo, I'll target a really broad keyword like web design and then narrow it down to show you how to find the best performing keywords for it. First things first, you should never target a keyword like web design directly, as it's an extremely competitive keyword and chances for ranking this are virtually impossible. InstaKeywords can help you find keywords related to your main keyword that are in the same niche, have decent traffic, but are very easy to rank. The first column is of course the keyword suggestions. The second column contains the keyword search volume. Like this keyword has nearly 700,000 searches on Google per month. The third column contains a keyword CPC, which is useful if you're thinking about buying PPC ads for this keyword. And finally, this fourth column contains the keyword's competition score. We calculate this using a variety of factors like the SEO difficulty, type of niche, search volume, brand query, and other factors. Basically, this column will tell you exactly the keywords that are worth targeting and save you a lot of time and effort. So as you can see, here we started with a very hard keyword. It's no surprise that almost all the suggestions have very high competition score. But don't worry, here is where InstaKeywords comes in. See this small plus sign in front of the keyword? This is the keyword drill down feature, and it will help us narrow the related keywords that have good traffic but are super easy to rank. This keyword here, web design jobs, has fair competition. So let's use the keyword drill down feature to find some related keywords that have good search volume but low competition score. And almost instantly, we have an amazing list of keywords that can generate very good traffic with very low competition. Like this keyword here, freelance web design jobs, has over 1,000 searches in a month, yet it's still very easy to rank. Or this keyword here, work from home web design jobs, has an even lower competition score, but good traffic. Now, let's check how this keyword has been performing in the last 12 months. Click this Keyword Trends button here. This keyword's volume is on the rise as more people are working from home nowadays. The keyword's trend is a very useful feature as it can help you get the first mover's advantage on trending keywords before everyone else. To check how many sites there are targeting this exact keyword on Google, I'll just type this in quotes and do a quick search for work from home web design jobs. As per Google, there are only 9 pages on the whole web with this exact keyword, which confirms nobody is targeting this keyword yet. But there are still over 1,000 searches being done for it every month. So this is a very good keyword, and it is also very easy to rank.